Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about data representation. Data representation is a method used to represent data in a computer. First one, representation of numbers. So how we are going to represent numbers in a computer. So numbers are of two types, integer numbers and floating point numbers. So numbers are of two types, integer numbers and floating point numbers. Integer numbers are whole numbers without any fractional part. So a number without any fractional part is called a integer. A number with a fractional part is called a floating point number. So how do we represent integers? Representation of integers. Integers are represented in three methods. First one is sign and magnitude representation. Second one is ones complement representation. Third one is twos complement representation. So an integer is represented in a computer in three ways: sign and magnitude representation. Second is ones complement representation. Next is twos complements representation. So all the data are represented in a form of 8-bit. In a computer, the data are represented or the numbers are represented in 8-bit form. So first one we are going to study is sign and magnitude representation. So sign and magnitude representation. In this method, the first bit from the left, that is MSB, is used for representing sign of an integer, and remaining 7 bits are used to represent magnitude of a integer. So first bit from the left is called MSB. It is used to represent a sign of an integer. So given an integer, the sign is represented by the MSB, and the remaining 7 bits are used to represent magnitude of the integer. For negative integers, sign bit is 1, and for positive integers, the sign bit is 0. So you can see a figure below. The first bit, the MSB, is represented. It represents the sign, and the remaining places represent the magnitude. So magnitude is represented as 7-bit binary equivalent of a integer. If an integer is given, the first bit is represents the sign, and the next 7-bit represents the binary equivalent of that integer. Let's take an example. Represent plus 23 in sign and magnitude form. So plus 23 in sign and magnitude form. You can see number is positive. So plus represent positive. So number is positive. So the first bit of MSB is 0. So I have told before that positive integers are represented by the sign bit 0 and negative integer represented by the sign bit 1. So here plus 23. The first bit is positive. So it is represented as positive integers are represented as 0, and the remainder 7 bits are represented by the binary equivalent 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. And so plus 23 can be represented as first bit is 0 and remaining all the bit binary equivalent of 23. So plus 23 is written as 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 to the base 2. So now another number, which is a negative number, how we are representing it in sign and magnitude form. So for negative number, the MSB should be 1. So in the figure, that's why the first position is represented by 1. Most significant bit is represented by 1 in negative integers. And next, the remaining positions are the binary equivalent for 105. So binary 7-bit binary equivalent of 105 is 1101 001 to the base 2. So because it is negative, the first sign bit, the sign bit is represented by 1. So minus 105 can be represented as 111 01 001 to the base 2. So we have studied that the the numbers are represented in different forms. So this is the sign and magnitude form. So in sign and magnitude form, first the numbers are represented in 8-bit form. The first bit represents the sign, the remaining bits represents the magnitude. If the number is a negative number, the sign bit will be always 1, and if it is a positive number, the sign bit will be always 0.